Are you looking for the best 3D printers under $500? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers under $500 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. KINGROON KP3S 3D Printer. KINGROON KP3S Pro is a cantilever-style 3D printer with linear guide rails on both X and Z axis to enhance printer head stability and accuracy for increased printing quality. Based on a Titan direct drive extruder with a 3:1 gear ratio, KINGROON KP3S Pro is able to print various 3D printing materials, including commonly used PLA, flexible materials like TPU and PETK. Compared with KP3S, KP3S Pro has an increased print volume of 200 x 200 mm, which further expands the printer's capability for your daily 3D printing tasks. With TMC 2225 stepper drivers, all motors on KP3S Pro operate quietly. A quiet printing is certainly a plus for not disturbing your family. With a built-in switching power supply, KP3S Pro operates much safer and offers more convenience to be placed when compared with 3D printers having independent switching power supplies. Number 2. EasyThreed K9 Mini 3D Printer. Experience a new dimension of printing with the EasyThreed K9 Mini 3D Printer. A powerful yet quiet machine, this household-friendly device is perfect for students and educators alike. With one-key printing and the ability to use both PLA and TPU filament with 1.75 mm diameter, get perfect results every time. The advanced auto-leveling system, 100 by 100 by 100 maximum print size, and 0.1 to 0.2 mm slice thickness make this printer perfect for any level of expertise. Choose from Windows, Mac, or Linux operating systems and benefit from certification, 24 watts to 30 watts power supply, and 40 mm per second printing speed. Achieve remarkable results quickly and effortlessly. EasyThreed K9 Mini 3D Printer for household education and students' toy. Printing size 100 x 100 mm. Support one-key printing with 1.75 mm 0.4 mm nozzle. Certificate. EasyThreed K9 3D Printer is a consumer-grade 3D printer. It comes with its own slicing software, EasyWare, which was specifically made and has a unique auto-slice function. Number 3. EasyThreed K7 Mini 3D Printer. The Mini 3D printer is super easy to use. Children and beginners are able to grasp it quickly. The accuracy is as low as 0.1 mm, which allows a smooth and alive printing effect. It's an excellent tool for kids to develop interest and improve spatial imagination. Note: this Mini 3D printer does not have the function of resume printing. It will print from the beginning when there is a power failure. The Mini 3D printer DIY kit consists of two main parts. Usually it can be assembled in just 5 minutes according to the assembly video. It is easy to use even for children. You can print the attached model or your own design. Note: the filament holder can point inwards or outwards, which does not affect the use. The 3D printer is equipped with the latest extruder technology, which rarely causes problems such as nozzle clogging and poor extrusion. The nozzle is a professional all-metal nozzle. The size is 0.4 mm. It reaches the operating temperature 180 C in 3 minutes. The motors and nozzle are well protected to prevent you from burning. The 3D printer comes with modeling software both for Windows and Mac. You can create and download 3D models to TF card, then insert it into the 3D printer to print. You can also download 3D models online to print. The online printing function is only applicable to Windows. The noise is lower than 60 decibels and does not affect the rest or the work of other people. Suitable for children, teachers, offices, dormitories, classrooms, families, etc. It can also be used as an exquisite gift for family and friends. Number 4. Twotrees BL3 V2 I3 3D Printer. full metal sheet structure with TMC 2225-256 subdivision, silent driver, MKS Robin Nano motherboard, 3.5-inch color touch screen, support multi-language interface Chinese, English, French, Spanish, German, Korean, Russian, filament runout detection and power resume print function. It can effectively solve problems such as accidental power failure, printing failure, etc. during printing, bring more fun for your print experience. Support auto leveling. Opening parenthesis. This feature is available on the motherboard, but if you want to use this feature, you need to purchase the auto leveling sensor yourself. Closing parenthesis. Double turbo cooling fan. Cooling double ring. Fast cooling. Good heat dissipation. Y-axis can be adjusted tightly. Support for printing PLA, ABS, PETC, wood filaments. 1-year warranty period. There are any questions, feel free to contact us, we will help solve. 24 volts, 240 watts, big power supply. The hotbed can be heated to higher temperatures. Support 115 volts to 220 volts use. Please choose US 115 volts or U 220 volts according to local voltage. Number 5. Clone Prusa i3 MK3S 3D printer. The original Prusa i3 MK3S Plus is the last version of our award-winning MK3 3D printer line. We have upgraded the MK3S with a brand new Super Pinder probe for improved first layer calibration, added high-quality bearings and various useful design tweaks to make the printer easy to assemble and maintain. The MK3S Plus includes all the proven features of the previous models, including the heat bed with removable paste spring steel print sheet, automatic mesh bed leveling, filament sensor, power loss recovery, power panic, and safety features. And it is still as silent as ever. The functionality of the MK3S Plus can be further enhanced by our unique multi-material upgrade 3 for printing with up to 5 filaments simultaneously. As the winter holidays approach, consider gifting one of our 3D printers to someone special. If you're unsure whether the package will arrive in time, you can download and print one of our gift cards. Personalize it with a message and present the card, assuring them that their 3D printer is on its way.